Hi, my name is Justin Field. I'm president of Peer Tutors of Maryland, and I want to share with you the second reason I have for choosing Peer Tutors of Maryland as an online tutoring platform. That would be the peer tutor versus the adult tutor. How do you make that decision as to who should be the tutor? There are a lot of excellent tutors out there, but there are also many just trying something out. Tutoring doesn't pay a living wage in most cases, and it's quite difficult to be a professional tutor, like full-time. Teaching, on the other hand, is a great career. I'm a practicing teacher. I love what I do, and I just want to help more students with the help of some of my best former students. They are going to be strictly supervised, supported, and trained. And while Peer Tutors of Maryland is run with the help of working age students, it's run by a professional teacher, me, who's currently in the classroom. And I also wanted to share with you the way that I assess students and their ability to be a peer tutor. And that's using a learning goal level system that I use in my classroom on a regular basis. I created this system over the course of time when I had some time to really think about learning during a standardized test. That's when I started it. And I thought, well, some students start off at level 0, or they don't start off, but they get frustrated and go to level 0. And that's this guy with their head down. But hopefully most come into the classroom at level 1. They don't know anything yet, but they are ready and willing to learn. And then most over time make it to level 2. That would be you start looking at their work and you see, well, they're starting to put some stuff together, but there's still mistakes. And I wouldn't say they understand it. I wouldn't put them in that category. That's level 2. And then sometimes you look at their work and, they progress to, oh, you're getting everything right. So I would call that level 3. But that's not the end of the line. That's not where learning stops, just getting everything right. Because when not only do you get stuff right, but also you can answer other people's questions. You can give them feedback on their work. I would say that's a higher level, level 4 of understanding. And so the way we do learning is you have your objective, and then the objective is broken down into different criteria, and those are called success criteria. If you can check all the boxes, all the different criteria, then you've met the objective, and that's what that means, success criteria. And the last level is level 5. I can apply the learning goal in other areas of math and outside of the math class. So when you start using that learning objective in ways outside of just the classroom, that is a real demonstration of knowledge that I would say you have. So the Peer Tutors of Maryland are not just my former students, but they're my former students that have demonstrated level 4 and 5 understanding on the topics that they are tutoring and just the topics that I've taught them in general. Because when you have demonstrated this level of understanding over and over again, then you get really good at giving others feedback and applying the learning. So how does the system going to work? Well, when you get to Peer Tutors from Maryland, all you got to do is choose how you want to study. Do you want that one-on-one online tutoring session? That's $20 for 45 minutes. Or you can log in and join an online study group. That'd be 2 to 5 members working on the same thing or similar topic, asking each other questions and raising their hand to ask a peer tutor or me questions when they arise. And all sessions take place using Zoom. So prior to the session, what you got to do is contact me, and my email address is justin@peertutorsofmaryland.com. Submit payment prior to the session, 1 hour. Fill out a peer tutoring session sign-up form. That's this Google form right here. That's all you got to do. And then paying for the session, you just use one of the PayPal links. The one-to-one peer tutoring comes first, and then the study group comes second. So we hope to see you soon. Right now, it's April, and we have already started study group sessions. And by the summer of 2020, we'll also start the one-on-one peer tutoring. So feel free to contact us today with anything you need. We're right here to help.